Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. In that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. Also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on, so I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. Well, when we got this was kind of just hanging here from the side pieces. And every time you'd open it, it would just kind of fall down here. Well, I don't know if somebody knocked it off or what, or couldn't figure it out, but those just clip right there and right there. And then you're going to push in on these right there and right there. And they're going to ride in this notch right here. So, pretty simple. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Can't really get in here with a tripod, and I don't have another person right now. So let's try this. And I'm about to lose my battery. Snap that on. Snap that on. And these push in. That one clipped in on that side. And there you go. Simple as that. Very easy, actually. And so that's how both you would take it out. To take it out, you're going to take these and push in on these on both sides. Push in on these clips here on both sides. And let that drop, and then pop those off on the bottom. I'm not going to do it again because it's plastic. And the more you do that kind of stuff and mess with it, the more chances it will break. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master none. You all have a good one.